Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's talk about useful connectors in English. Using connectors help our sentences flow much easier. So let's start with the simple ones. Remember, connectors can also be called conjunctions. This is a word that we may come across very often when learning English grammar. So let's start with the simple ones. And, but, because. And adds information. I like tea and coffee. But shows contrast. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Because gives us reason. I like to drink tea because it is relaxing. So what connectors do is that they help take short sentences and make them longer. Now, using connectors in our sentences will improve our score for coherence in IELTS speaking. If you want to learn more about IELTS and how to prepare for it, be sure to join my class. Until next time, goodbye.